If you want to insert out mathematical formulas and work with equations, then what you can do is you can simply insert equations right here in Google Docs. So once you click on equations, you're given a new menu right here, just like this. And here you can see that you can go for Greek letters, which might be used in mathematical formulas. There are multiplication, division, and other symbols, mathematical symbols that you can use. There's like equal to, greater than, less than, and so forth. There's other equations and formats, as you can see right here. And then some arrows to go with your equations, as you can see. So you can just go over here and you can see that that is how you can type in. So let's say, for example, you want to say 4 multiplied. So let's just go into multiply by 3. That's it. That's how you add an equation. And I can add in plus right here. And then I can add in something, let's say, for example, like this, like 2. And then that is going to be squared right over here. And then you can go around into equations right here again, and then add in other things. So I'm going to add in multiply right here, and then you can add in equations such as these as well. So that is 4 by 5, just like this. Over here, go around onto the bottom, and then just like this. So this is how you can actually type in equation. So you can see, say something right over here like a, and then I'm going to go with squared right here. So I'm just going to go around over here. I'm going to go for a, and then this is going to be square, and then plus, and this is going to be, and then I'm going to go for the squared again right over here. So that is going to be squared. Let me just go around, erase that out, go around here, and then this is going to be squared right here, and then on the left side b. So this is how you can actually go around and type in the formulas, just like that, plus. And then you can add in other things just like that right over here as well. And then you can just make it an equation just like that, as you can see right here. So that is how you can add and work with equations inside of a Google Docs document. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.